My dear students, in this video we will discuss the greenhouse effect. First question is, what is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is so named because the Earth's atmosphere behaves like a greenhouse roof. It means it lets in the heat and then releases the heat slowly. And the greenhouse effect, as we understand it, that the sun raises the greenhouse gases and sunlight that hits the earth is released back into the space while the rest becomes heat. And greenhouse gases prevent heat from the escaping into space, warming the planet. It means the natural and the man-made, human-made enhanced effect, the greenhouse effect. The rays that comes from the sun on the earth, and these ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun penetrates thermosphere and is observed by the earth. The heat is observed and the energy is radiated back to space. The heat, as we see, the heat is trapped and more heat escapes into space. It is the effect, greenhouse effect. More heat is re-emitted, and in this picture it is clear that the greenhouse effect. The next, greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the earth's surface. It is a natural process. Natural process is that when the rays of earth comes on the earth, it warms the surface. And the greenhouse gases includes water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone and other artificial chemicals such as the chlorofluorocarbons also present in the atmosphere, and these gases are the greenhouse gases. These gases are known as greenhouse gases, and we can say in this picture the natural effect, greenhouse effect, and the human enhanced greenhouse effect. And these gases are the carbon dioxide, 80% in the atmosphere, and the methane, it is the 10%, and the nitrous oxide, it is 7%, and the fluorinated gases, it is only the 3%, and it is the proportion of the gases in the atmosphere. It is also can be seen in this picture clearly. The carbon dioxide, it is the major affected gas, greenhouse gas, and the next is the methane, and the other gases only the nitrous oxide and the other gases also affect the greenhouse effect. And now the other point, that is the causes of greenhouse effect. What is the causes of greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect का cause we can see in this picture that greenhouse effect, the mostly affected gas is the carbon dioxide, and it comes from the vehicles. Carbon dioxide is the largest contributor to the global warming, as it holds the largest share among the greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. And next is the burning of coal and burning of trees, exhausted fumes from vehicles. And the other cause, it is the CFCs. It is chlorofluorocarbons, or it is a totally man-made greenhouse gases which comes from the refrigerators and foams. And so it is the man-made gases. And the next point is the largest source of the methane is in the atmosphere are the natural wetland, rice fields and the livestock. And it all the क्या कर दिया, स्क्रीनशॉट क्यों कर रही, क्या करवा दिया तुमने?